What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new gold exploration company called Bullion Gold Resources. Now, Bullion Gold Resources is a gold exploration stage company engaged in the exploration and development of exploration and evaluation assets in northern Quebec. Now, they're focused on a really interesting area called the Cadillac Break or the Abitibi Mining Camp. Specifically, their BOUSQUET project. So Bullion Gold Resources is listed on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol BGD. In this video, guys, we're going to introduce the company, go over all the key points, and I'm excited to talk about it. As we know, gold is back on the rise, so fingers crossed we get a nice run for gold this year, potentially into next. Things are looking good, but I don't want to speak too soon. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Bullion Gold Resources. Also, don't forget to leave us a like if you do appreciate the videos and all the updates that I put out, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. And also drop us a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on gold, on the company, and let's get straight into this video. So like I said, Bullion Gold Resources is traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol BGD. They did recently put out some news. Now this is a relatively small cap company at just $3.34 million as of the close. That is just around 9 cents. It's got a 52-week range of 6.5 cents all the way up to 17 cents. And let's briefly go over their recent press release before we get into this video. So Bullion Gold intersects 16.96 grams per ton gold over 9 meters, including 33.21 grams per ton over 4.5 meters on the BOUSQUET project. And there we have, some pictures, visible gold from the BOUSQUET drilling results. Feel free to check out the press release. I'm not going to read the whole thing, and we're going to get into their website real quick now, guys. So on the website, we can find more pictures a little bit closer. We can take a little closer look at the visible gold in their drill results. Also on the website, we can find information about their management. Specifically, we're going to spend 2 quick minutes to outline Jonathan Hamill, who is the president and chief executive officer, also interim chief financial officer. So a rising figure in the Canadian gold exploration industry, Mr. Hamill has contributed to the rise of Vanstar Mining, a gold exploration company with properties located in northern Quebec at different stages of development, including the Neeligan project. Mr. Hamill is the director at Vanstar Mining since 2018, secretary of the board since 2020, and acted as interim president and CEO during management transition in 2020. Mr. Hamill is also president and CEO of Mosaic Minerals Corporation, which we just did a video on, guys. So feel free to check that one out as well. An exploration stage company focusing on battery metals in Quebec and British Columbia. So Jonathan has a lot of experience in the mining sector and specifically in this area. In addition to his 20 years of management experience that has taken him around the world, Mr. Hamill sat on the board of directors at the Montreal Economic Institute, a globally recognized independent public policy think tank focused on proposing reforms based on market principles. Okay, guys, now we're going to get into the interesting information, and we're just going to focus on a couple key points. Those key points are going to be the area that they're in, the prolific mining jurisdiction, the ongoing drill program, and just the potential for gold right now. So the project highlights 97 claims, 2,675 hectares located at the heart of the globally recognized Abitibi mining camp. More than 30 mines there. So there's some big name players, large cap gold companies right in the surrounding area. 100 million ounce historical gold production at the Cadillac Larder Lake Fault. 7 kilometers along the Cadillac Larder Lake Fault. 7 known gold showings, 4 kilometers gold-bearing corridor with multiple showings, favorable geology with presence of folds and faults, multiple magnetic targets, infrastructure and power grid nearby, multiple gold mills nearby, year-long access through provincial roads. So here we have the BOUSQUET project location. And like I said, guys, I Am Gold and Agnico Eagle, very close to their project. So that is something that I wanted to specifically highlight. And here we have the BOUSQUET project, 97 claims, 2,675 hectares. So very interesting. Exploration hypothesis. So I'm not going to get into the very fine details when it comes to grading and all of that. Obviously, we see some pretty good grades here when it comes to Radisson Mining, Agnico Eagle. Those are pretty high grade results. I'm not an expert in geology, but I have seen lots of results. So following our analysis of the BOUSQUET project, we observed that part of the gold potential of the property could be possibly found at depth. The Cadillac Larder Lake fault crossing our property for nearly 7 kilometers was also very little drilled, offering us a great opportunity for a new discovery along this one. These findings will be the basis of our future exploration work, mentioned Jonathan Hamill, who's the CEO. So gold mineralization in the area tends to be richer at depth, greater than 450 meters. Few historical drilling at depth on the BOUSQUET property. So it's underexplored. They haven't done much drilling. There's lots of potential to find gold. And that's what they're doing right now. They're going to be drilling. So 2021 best drill results, as we can see here. Some pretty interesting drill holes. 16.96 grams per ton, 9 meters, 33.21 grams per ton, 4.5 meters, 1 meter of 129.25 grams per ton. And then in terms of historical drilling, 12.1 meters at 7.13 grams per ton, 1.5 meters at 26.46 grams per ton, and 1 meter at 12.96 grams per ton. So there's clearly lots of gold in the area. Like I said, it is a very prolific gold mining district. Let's talk a little bit about the gold mining camp. Over 100 million ounces of gold produced in this area in the last 100 years. So we've got companies like Kirkland Lake, 24 million ounces. Westwood, 4.3 million ounces. Val-d'Or, 20 million ounces. Rouyn-Noranda, 19 million ounces. And the Cadillac BOUSQUET, 25 million ounces. And there's the BOUSQUET project. We also have Holt Hollow, 3.6 million ounces. Timmins, 71 million ounces. Lavender Lake, 13 million ounces. So this is a very prolific mining jurisdiction. And that is one thing that I wanted to highlight. Feel free to pause this investor presentation at any point, guys. I'm just going over the key points when it comes to this company and what they have, because clearly the company has a very interesting land package in a very prolific mining jurisdiction that has lots of potential. We just got to see how the drill results go. So guys, I quickly wanted to take a look at the longer term charts for gold, because I am a long-term gold bull, silver bull as well, but in this video we're talking about gold. And I want to take a look at the 5-year chart for gold because, I can't predict the future. This is not financial advice, but the chart does look pretty good. And we're back above 1850 once again. We'll see if that holds, but fingers crossed. I do think we're in for a long-term gold bull market here. Now, companies like Bullion Gold Resources, they're really set to benefit. The thing that's really interesting about Bullion Gold is the fact that, they've already produced high-grade results in terms of their drill results. There's an ongoing drill program, so that's, what I'm looking forward to updating you guys on, see how the drill results go, and the fact that they're in such a prolific mining jurisdiction with, over 100 million ounces of gold coming out of the ground, and they're surrounded by some major players in the gold industry. So, of course, there's lots of risks involved, especially in the small cap exploration space when it comes to gold. But Bullion Gold's a very interesting company with, a proven management team, and they might be worth taking a look at today. So let me know what you think, guys. That's it for the introductory video to Bullion Gold. I hope to be able to get Jonathan on for a CEO interview, something like that. I'd love to get him to explain a little bit more for you guys. We'll see if we can hook that up. Anyways, take a look at the company. And that's it for the video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.